Yeah.
What's up, guys? I'm back again today, and I'm sorry I haven't uploaded. My last video, they wouldn't let me upload it because of background music. So I'm gonna work on that one. I'm probably just gonna try to, I'm gonna try to fucking cut all the background music, cut all the sound off of it, and probably just redo it myself with my friend, the one who was in the video with me. So that's probably what's gonna happen with that. But I hope. So we just made it to the meet, and holy shit, is it packed? And this was all done under a night. Like this man right here. This is all done under a night. That's crazy. There's some R8s, NSX, GTRs. I feel like running for a minute, to be honest. Alright guys, but I'll hit you guys up in a minute.
Oh, he's got headers. Okay, thank you.
Let's see.
So that's what he knows.
I'm good. Although I don't got the money for that.
Oh, I didn't even tell you guys.
Yeah.
Mike on the way home. Yes, sir.
GT, nice.
See, that's what you know.
Oh, the R32. Bentley's so great.
Even the TT.
Yeah. Look at all that. Man, but there's not a single. I haven't seen a single Supra though. Not one. X died in one of those.
I think I shot one of those.
Yeah.
Can't tell.
Yeah, so when I ask what the car is, all you have to say is brake. All the other stuff.
That is Nissan Sentra looks pretty cool. That one.
Central. What fucking Central?
Oh my bad, GTR.
Whatever. Central, GTR, Yeah, you need a whip, bro.
I'm good. I want something sexy. Maybe this.
Or, go to school.
I'm good. I want to go to broke right now. It can't be. You got some Lamborghinis, Ferraris. This is a little overwhelming, to be honest, for me. That's pretty cool.
And then the company that bought it. Look at all these cars. He lost, dude. Yeah.
Oh shit. This is a new NSX. bet you that car doesn't have over 14,000 miles on it. It's a respected legacy. So where's he at?
What's the thing, bro?
It's in the games.
Yeah, just a waiver. Anybody who's like, yeah, we have 5,000. You hear that? Right.
Lotus Eyes. Another Nissan Sentra. I mean GTR. Damn guys, this is crazy. We have some expensive ass cars and this shit, bro, oh my god, bro. It's crazy. I'm out of words because there's like extremely stupid expensive cars here that I would never have ever thought to ever see in real life. And I'm really grateful to see them, so you know, it's crazy. We have here some G2, GT. Hold up, look. I can speak. GT2 RS. It's crazy, bro. My apologies, sir. With active arrow. Go ahead.
No, don't touch. No. There he is.
It's crazy, man. And the crazy part, people don't know this. I'm friends with the owner, the people who made these meats.
Selfie with it?
That's crazy because I'm friends with the people who organize this entire meet. All these people here, none of them know the guys that organize it, and they're right here. These four gentlemen were the ones who organized this entire thing under a single night, less than 24 hours, and this is a turnout. To me, that's mind-blowing. Under 24 hours. Shit, less than 10 hours, and this is a turnout. Oh shit. And I'm friends with the guys who organize this shit.